Hi Saipreet.
Hello, Arman brother.
How are you?
I am fine, brother.
And what does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
What does your father do?
My father is a driver.
And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I am no brother and no sister.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 5.
And which school do you study?
I study in Saibina International School.
And who is your class teacher?
Prasan Kumar Das is our class teacher.
In which subject they are in good?
I have Odia good subject.
And
In
which subject do Prasant sir teach to you?
math.
And do you like math?
Yes, also like me.
But what is your favorite subject?
Odia.
Odia. So why Odia is your favorite subject?
I have reading properly, writing
As it your
properly.
mother language. Okay, Saipreet, can you please tell me how many legs and hands do you have?
I have 2 legs, 2 hands.
Okay, how many eyes do you have?
I have 2 eyes.
How many ears do you have?
I have 2 ears.
How many nose do you have?
I have one nose.
And how do you smell?
I smell with my nose.
And how do you taste?
I taste my tongue.
Okay, Saipreet, can you please tell me what is the importance of tree?
Yeah, it is a good question for me. I will like to tell you that tree means life. Life means tree. Without tree, life is meaningless. Tree gives us rubber, gum, pepper, food, flower, etc. Tree, our best friend. And tree cutting down, many calamities is come. Tsunami, earthquake, and etc.
Okay, Saipreet, who is the Prime Minister of India?
Uh, Mr. Narendra Damodar Modi.
And who is the Chief Minister of Odisha?
Mr. Uh, uh,
Mohan
Mohan
Charan
Charan
Maj.
Maji.
Okay, Saipreet, you have no very general knowledge. So, can you please tell me in which language you are very suitable to speak?
Odia.
Okay, as it your favorite subject also. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.